Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on participation approval in Facebook group. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you've opened your Facebook app, you tap on the menu profile icon, then you tap on group. Once you tap on group, now you come up here and tap on your groups. Once you do that, then you will come to the group you want to set approval for the participation. Then you tap on it. Once you tap on the group, then you tap on manage. Once you tap on manage, another page will pop up which is manage groups. Under it, you're going to scroll down a little and come and tap on group settings. Once you tap on group settings, then you're going to scroll down a little. Then you'll see a particular option called participation approval. Then you tap on it. Then you tap on to check the circle box. Then tap on save. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.